Sir, now observe a small enhancement which came in 1.7 version related to numeric literals. I have to discuss. Observe carefully. 1.7 version enhancement, usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. Sir, which symbol we can use? Usage of underscore symbol, right? Sir, do you know, up to this we covered two types of literals. One is integral literal, second one is floating point literal. Integral literals, floating point literals, these are things, integral literals and floating point literals, these are things is by default considered as numeric literals, number type, okay, numeric literals, right? So in these literals from 1.7 version onwards, happily we can use underscore symbol between the digits. What is the meaning of that? Okay, very simple, sir. Suppose I have a number is there 1 1 0 1 1 1. Here just observe. Can you please read this number? Array, can you please read this number? 123. Correct, right? 123. Can you please read this number? This number? Is it 1 crore or 1 lakh or 11 lakhs? Can you spell out? It's always a big confusion. Correct, right? It's always a big confusion. Array, is it crore the digit or is it 10 lakhs place or 100 crores place? I don't know. Here just observe that. Here if you consider this, sir, here 1 lakh crore, here 110 crores, sir, 11 lakhs 10,110. Wow. How, sir, here if these commas are not there, then how danger it is. Are you getting right? So readability is not that much. To improve readability, happily we can use underscore symbol in our integral, in our numeric literals. It may be integral literal, it may be floating point literal. Okay, like now how you can use this one, sir? Here very simple. Suppose I have double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. I have this one. So it's always a confusion. Array, is it 12,000 or 1,23,000 like? So now to prevent that confusion, to overcome that, to improve readability from 1.7 version onwards, happily we can use underscore symbol. How you can do that, sir? Here double D is equal to 1,23,456. 1,23,456 dot 789 like. Have you observed? Now even for this also you can use, no problem at all. 789 like. Wow. Now observe, clear separation is there. 1,23,456.789. Okay. So to improve this type of readability, happily you can use underscore symbol between the digits from which version onwards this concept came, from 1.7 version onwards. Any doubt about this? Clear, right? Now I have one small important conclusion. What the point is, suppose in India we can read this number as 1,23,456. In India we can read like this. But if you go to the US, America, there they will pronounce this number as 123,456. What is that? Can you please spell out? 123,456. Then no problem. For US people, they can write in this style also. 123,456.789 like. Okay, there is no rule like you should use underscore, sir, in between 1 and 2 only. Like, no, based on your comfort, based on your readability, happily you can use any number of underscore symbols, no problem at all. Okay, just this facility came just to improve readability. Any doubt? Clear, right? Now immediately in your mind there is a big doubt came, I'm sure. What your doubt is? Sir, India people are adding 2 underscore symbols, but US people are adding only 1 underscore symbol. So how the JVM can differentiate these two things, right? This is your doubt. At runtime, how the JVM can give here, okay? Sir, can identify both are same. This is your doubt. The point here is very simple. Readability required only in the source file. Source file means a test.java file. Sir, in the dot class file, readability is not required because no one is going to open dot class file. No one is going to read that dot class file. So that's why at the time of compilation, so compiler will remove these underscore symbols. Remember that. That's why after compilation, these 2 lines will become double D is equal to, these 2 lines will become double D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.789 only. There is no difference at all. So here, whether this form or this form, JVM don't all these nonsense. Compiler will remove all these underscore symbol. Now this number will be available to the JVM. Clear, right? If underscore symbols are there, what will happen? Okay, JVM don't know all these things. Sir, simple JVM, sir, ever only this number, because compiler at the time of compilation, underscore symbols by default will be removed. Any doubt about? Clear, right? Okay, well, sir, now let me show really this one is going to be happen or not. Observe carefully. Here, just have a look once about my code. Here, see this one. Double D is equal to 1 underscore 23 underscore 456.789. I'm taking. Sir, have you observed? 1 underscore 23 underscore 456.789. SOP of D, sir. SOP of D I'm taking. What is the answer we are going to get? Yes, observe. Perfectly valid. The answer is 123,456.789 only. Okay, like now, sir, let me remove this one. 123,456.789. 123,456.789. Okay, like sir, now observe, is it the same or not? Yes, observe carefully. It is also same thing only we are going to get. Okay, so you are adding 1 underscore 2 underscore, no problem. Compiler is going to remove all those underscore symbol at runtime. There is no conflict at all. Clear, right? Sir, now I have one more small doubt, sir. How many underscore symbols I can add? Is it only 1 or multiple underscore symbols? Now observe here, 1 underscore underscore 2 3 underscore 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 4 5 6.789. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Yes, you can add any number of underscore symbols between the digits. Don't feel, sir, only 2 underscore symbol or only 3 underscore or only 1. Any number of underscore symbols you can take. Yes, itself is valid. Any doubt? Clear, right? Okay, so is it possible to add multiple underscore symbols between the digits or not? Yes, but there are some restrictions are there. Which restrictions are related to this underscore symbol? Now observe this one. 1 underscore 23 underscore 456.789 I'm taking. Now observe, why I'm taking this underscore symbol? To differentiate between 1 lakh and thousands place. Lakhs digit and thousands digit, to differentiate that this underscore is going to be helpful. Now I'm taking, sir, underscore 1 underscore 456.789. Can you please tell what is the use of this underscore symbol? What is the use? What is the use of this underscore symbol? Nothing, there is no use. Array, here 1,23,000. So thousands place, lakhs place separation, this underscore is the meaningful. But now I'm taking this underscore here at the beginning. What is the use? No use. If you can take like this, compiler will give left and right. Remember that. Okay. So because meaningful use should be there, but you are misusing the underscore symbol. Same 1 underscore 23 456 dot 789 at last underscore. What is the use of that? What is the use of this one? So it is also invalid. Suppose if I can take 1 underscore 23 456 underscore dot 789. Have you observed? 6 underscore dot, what is the use of this one? It is also useless. That's why. So all these things are going to rise compile time error. Remember, we can use underscore symbol. We can use underscore symbol only between the digits, not at the beginning, not at the last, not at a digit and a decimal point in between. We are not allowed to use. By mistake, if you are using, immediately compile time error you are going to get. Take very special care about this point. Any doubt about this one? Have a look once, sir. Here, observe carefully. Double D is equal to 123. Here just observe 1 lakh double underscore 23 triple underscore, okay, 456 dot 7 underscore 8 underscore 9, okay, like I'm taking SOP of D. Have you observed here? Sir, here 2 underscore symbols are used. Here 3 underscore symbols are used. 3 underscore symbols are used, sir. Now observe carefully. Yes, happily the code compiles fine. Any number of underscore symbols you can use. Yes, valid. 123.456.789 itself is acceptable, right? Now I'm taking underscore symbol at the beginning. Immediately compile time error you are going to get. Observe carefully. Immediately compile time error you are getting, sir. Yes, if I can take underscore symbol at the beginning, immediately error you are getting. Suppose if I'm taking underscore symbol at last, okay, now what will happen? Now observe, illegal underscore like compile time error you are getting. Suppose here 6 underscore dot like if I can take, what will happen? Immediately, sir, compile time error you are going to get. Okay, so we can use underscore symbol only between the digits, not at the beginning, not at the end, not between decimal point and a digit. Clear, right? Okay, like so from this discussion, so what the possibility to ask the question? Have a look once, sir. It's a very simple bit we have here. Observe, which of the following are valid? Which of the following are valid? Can you please tell first one is the valid or not? I respond. First one is the valid or not? Valid. Yes, I'm not misusing anywhere. Second one invalid because here underscore between digit and decimal point. Next C invalid at last underscore symbol. D invalid because you are using underscore here. Next E valid because you can use any number of underscore symbols, no problem. Int x is equal to 123 underscore 456, it is also valid because underscore symbol is allowed for integral literals and the floating point literals, no problem at all. That's why. So sir, which things are allowed? First one is allowed, next E is allowed, F is allowed. A, E, F, that's all. These are the things, right? Now observe that A, E, F. Sir, here observe, we should use underscore symbol only between the digits. We can use any number of underscore symbols, no problem at all. Clear? Any explanation is required? That's all. This is a new enhancement came in the 1.7 version just to improve readability of the source code. Beyond that, no other benefit. Clear?